What's happening currently in the Aruba Airport is that we are busy with a giant reconstruction of our Taxiway Golf. This Taxiway Golf is the connection between where you embark and disembark the plane to where the plane takes off. This taxiway has been constructed in 1997 and is now time for a major reconstruction which is happening behind us. For this reconstruction, we've partnered with local companies to remove the damaged pavement and repave with new material. To ensure quality of the pavement, we've sent out all the aggregates and bitumen to laboratories to get tested to ensure that the material that we place every day is as required and for a lifespan of 20 years. Prior to starting of the execution, we had 1 year of design work, and the execution timeline is about 6 months of execution work. As one might think, a major construction of vital connection on the airport has big impact on operation. Thanks to a strong collaboration between the airport, the hardworking people at the air traffic control tower, and the airlines, operations has been impacted minimally. This execution is split into 3 phases, where the first phase is happening behind me, where the other phases will happen after the completion of this phase. Aruba Airport's mission is to operate with safety, quality, and long-term sustainability. That's why we are working hard to repave the Taxiway Golf.